Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best full support bra on the market, the Yvette Sports Bra. Designed for high-impact activities and boasting incredible comfort and support, this bra promises to be a game-changer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Yvette Sports Bra is engineered for those seeking maximum support without sacrificing comfort. It's tailored for large bust sizes, providing full coverage and stability during intense workouts. Made from a blend of 83% polyester and 17% elastane, it combines durability with flexibility, crucial for active lifestyles. First off, let's talk about the design. The Yvette Sports Bra features an adjustable criss-cross back, which not only enhances support but also distributes weight evenly, reducing strain on your shoulders. The clasp closure adds convenience, making it easy to put on and take off. The fabric is another highlight. It's breathable, thanks to the mesh panels that promote airflow, keeping you cool and dry even during rigorous exercise sessions. Plus, it's wire-free, ensuring comfort without compromising on stability. I've personally tested this bra during various workouts, from running to high-intensity interval training. It really does provide the support it promises, minimizing bounce and keeping everything in place. Compared to other sports bras I've tried, the Yvette stands out for its combination of support and comfort. It's particularly great if you struggle with finding bras that support larger cup sizes without discomfort. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a high-impact sports bra that offers full support for a larger bust, the Yvette Sports Bra is definitely worth considering. It ticks all the boxes: comfort, support, and durability. Just keep in mind the care instructions and sizing tips to ensure you get the best fit. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you've tried the Yvette Sports Bra or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.